Okay, so I'm cooking here roast potatoes, and the secret to roast potatoes is this. These are pre-cooked potatoes, and on them they have polenta. So pre-cook, boiling water, 10 minutes, colander. They've got to be dry, so get them in the colander and get them nice and dry. Then you need to put them in the pan, there it is, and shake them a little bit, not too much, don't go mad with that. And then they're in here, and I put polenta, you can see it's just Sainsbury's polenta, a couple of tablespoons, and I've just tossed those in that polenta, and those are now lovely. So they're going to go into a very hot oven, 240, with some deodorized coconut oil in, which is this product here. So I've got it really hot. You can see I spilt some polenta. This is the secret of the perfect roast potato. I'm sure you probably knew that, but to those that don't, practice and then you'll have them ready for Christmas. So these now have been in 20 minutes or so. I've done the turn once. You can see that polenta, how that's got all fluffy. So they need to be turned probably about every 10 minutes actually. You're turning the non-cooked side, the non-brown sides, because they're cooked already, aren't they really? They're on brown sides into the oil. So you just keep going with these, but these are looking pretty good now. This one, I've got this one. So I'm going to eat this because I'm going to try and describe, because I know what this is like in here and you might not, and I want to describe what it's like so that you'll feel inspired to cook a roast potato. Before Christmas, or indeed before any special meal, get good at these by just cooking them. Just have some, and then when somebody in your family comes in and says, "Have we got anything to eat?" just point them to the roast potato stash. And anyway, so in we go. And yeah, it's still steaming. It's right. So basically, your teeth go through these like crispy outer layer. With a little bit of salt. I've dressed them with a bit of salt. There's a little bit of salt now on my. Oh, George is coming in. She's licking her lips. She probably wants one. Bless her. Hello, George. Do you want one? Oh, she's done a sit. Anyway, so yeah, you bite through that crunchy layer. You get a bit of salt on your lips, and then you get the really soft potato. You know, the potato is parboiled, so it's just dead soft and so dead lovely, and. It's just gorgeous, and you just transport, well I am, transported to a fab time. So for Christmas, if you can just do three things well, that's what you need to think about if you're new and you're looking at Christmas. Roast potatoes is one of those things that needs being done well, and then you've got a Wellington, do that well, and then to be honest, other things can just slide if necessary. You know, you can always steam some veg off. And that's good. So those are the things. I'd probably actually say, just off the top of my head, the third thing would be gravy, because a good gravy covers everything up. So my dog is drooling. I'm going to have to go and give her this.